Hello and welcome again to another edition of our Big Bike Parts Media channel. We're here today with Show Chrome Accessories to discuss another brand new item fitting the 2018 and newer Yamaha Venture as well as a Yamaha Venture Eluder. The particular product we're going to be discussing is going to be the dual function LED fog lights. The two functions come in the fact that you have an LED day running light, and when needed in the nighttime you can turn on the fog lights. These fog lights will give you a 6000 Kelvin in color and give you a nice low horizontal beam, allowing you to see upcoming obstacles in the road. This part comes complete with the needed installation instructions as well as every component for the install. You have to install the left and the right fog light as well as the relay harness that goes behind the left saddle bag. If you have any further questions with regards to this dual function fog light, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, you can please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE, and be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.